Yeah. You missed, so come back. No, come back. Left arm forward, left arm backwards. No, not the bucket. Yeah. Okay, you need to push it with the bucket, not with the joint. So lift it higher. Right arm back. Keep going. All the way. Is that all the way? Pull it back until it won't go any farther. Now open up the bucket. Okay, then left arm forward and keep opening the bucket. Okay, stop. Stop opening the bucket. Now push it forward. Both. Right arm forward. Oh, stop doing your other one. Just the arm. Right. Super anticlimactic one. Okay. Okay, it's done.
Not done.
Yes, it is.
Come back up.
No, it's not. Lift it up.